I'm really excited to share what I found today. So over the past few days, we've been looking at a pair of 2 mushrooms that have been growing on a tree. I've been checking up on it every single day, and while I was checking up on them, I found something just completely amazing.
Alright, so yesterday it was raining all day, so I didn't really come out to check the Ginopolis mushrooms that are yet to be identified as an exact species.
As a matter of fact, they're not Ginopolis at all, but I'm going to talk about that a little later in the video. We're just going to see what's going to happen here.
But I came out today and I'm here right now and I'm looking at it, and there's been a lot of growth over the past 2 days. It looks like one of the caps has like about doubled in size from the last time we checked, so that's pretty cool. I'll have a picture of it next to my thumb compared to the last time I took a look. But it looks like the rain really helped it get to a bigger size, so I'm excited to see what's gonna happen. Yeah, as a matter of fact, the tree still feels pretty wet. So yeah, that's probably what's helping out quite a bit. See right here. It's looking pretty great, and can you even see it? It's looking great, and I dare say, pretty awesome.
Just a reminder, never eat a mushroom that you find in the wild. There is a pretty good chance that you will die. Alright? You good? Okay. So let's look at a deadly mushroom.
Awesome, so I found these mushrooms. There's actually quite a few of them over here. A lot of them are growing out all over the place. You have a tiny one right here too. Looking great. They look really, really similar to the ones I have found earlier, but I have some big ones over here for comparison size. Take a picture of that. There we go. It honestly looks pretty great. I'm gonna pick one and see what I can find.
This mushroom is called Galerina marginata, and if you eat it, you will have severe liver damage, vomit a lot, and if you don't have it treated immediately, you will die. So don't go around eating these. They are not psychoactive in the slightest. They are just very fatal and deadly. Yep.